Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to discuss how you guys can earn money from Shopify. So let's get started. We're going to search for how to earn money on Shopify. We're going to open how to make money on Shopify, 10 ideas and tips. As you guys know, Shopify is an e-commerce website builder that you can use to run an online business. It lets you create a website, list your products, manage your inventory levels, take credit and debit card payments, and even facilitate a dropshipping business. Selling products isn't the only way to make money with Shopify, though. You can put your Shopify expertise to use by building websites for others or helping market that platform too. Here are 10 ways to make money on Shopify plus tips for maximizing your business idea. Create a Shopify store. Let me lay on my bed. Shopify is primarily an online store builder. You can use it to set up an e-commerce website with relative ease, upload unlimited products, host your website on Shopify, and use Shopify payments to process customers' credit and debit card transactions. You'll have to spend at least $29 per month to use Shopify. Prices Shopify plans include and additional features like a point of sale terminal, more detailed sales reports, and shipping rate calculation for customers, but payment processing rates go down at each time. Your Shopify store can sell virtually anything, and will dig into some ideas for products and service below. Note that some of these e-commerce business ideas are facilitated by Shopify apps, which are additional pieces of software that connect to Shopify to expand the platform's capabilities. Apps may charge additional fees, so take advantage of free trials and read reviews in Shopify App Store to make sure you are choosing one that has the functionality you need. Number two is set up a drop shipping business. Drop shipping is an online selling method in which you don't keep inventory in stock. Instead, when a customer purchases an item, your business orders the product from the manufacturer at that time. Drop shipping can help your business keep initial costs down since you don't need warehouse space or inventory. If you want to drop ship on Shopify, there are a variety of third party apps that you can install to help connect with dropshipping suppliers. You can source products from those suppliers, then list them on your website and launch your store. Number three is monetize your social media presence. Shopify is currently developing an influencer marketing program called Shopify Collabs. If you have a significant audience on social media, you may be able to refer your followers to products you love to earn and commission when they make a purchase. As of this writing, influencer can apply for early access to Shopify Collabs. Those accepted to the program can apply to work with certain brands, receive free products, create content, and collabs. Those accepted to the program can apply to work with certain brands, receive free products, create content, and make money if a follower buys one of the products. Sell print on demand products. Print on demand lets graphic artists sell all kinds of merchandise like t-shirt, mugs, throw pillows, and more without their design printed on them. When a customer places an order, a third party vendor creates the product and then ships it to the buyer. As with the dropshipping business, there are a lot of Shopify apps that can facilitate print on demand. So that's it guys. I hope you like my video. If you like, do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. We'll see you in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.